Tired of your Shopify landing page looking like a digital yard sale and repelling potential customers? Then get ready to transform it into a conversion powerhouse, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to give you actionable tips to make your landing page shine. First, dive into your Shopify analytics. Pay close attention to your bounce rate. That's the percentage of people who leave your page immediately. A high bounce rate signals a problem. So let's fix it. Number 1. Mobile optimization is king. Over half of online traffic comes from mobile devices. Make sure your landing page looks fantastic and functions flawlessly on phones and tablets. Use a responsive design. Number 2. Nail your headline. You've got seconds to grab attention. Ditch the generic phrases and focus on the core benefit of your product or service. Think solve your problem, not our amazing product. Number 3. Compelling visuals. High-quality product images or videos instantly build trust and showcase value. Ditch the stock photos and invest in showcasing your product in the best light. Number 4. Persuasive call to action placement. Use strong action verbs like shop now, get started, or claim your discount. Test different colors, sizes, and placements to see what converts best. Make it unmissable. Number 5. Build trust with social proof. Add customer testimonials, reviews, and guarantees. Seeing that others have had positive experiences will ease the mind of new customers and boost conversions. Finally, keep it concise. Nobody wants to read a novel on a landing page. Use bullet points, short paragraphs, and strong visuals to convey your message quickly and effectively. Less is more. Implement these tweaks, consistently analyze your data, and you'll be well on your way to creating a Shopify landing page that not only looks amazing but converts visitors into loyal customers and maximizes your return on investment.